tools that I use almost on every project, which is just like the React Native cheat sheet. It's a light cheat sheet that I use to initialize new projects that I make. For example, if you're starting a new project, you can simply just grab npx React Native init with your project. That command, just grab it there, and then you can choose whatever template that you want. In this case, let's say we want, for example, to just use the basic one, which is the React Native init with your name of the project. But then it's not only limited to like React Native, you can also use Expo as well. Use different templates. For example, if you're looking for a specific version of React Native that you wanna install, you can just look at that command and look at the tag or the feature flag that is there, or use your own. You have template for TypeScript as well. And I also have a Medium post, which is identical to the PDF that is in the description. You can also grab as well the Medium post as well, also in the description as well, which has exactly the same items. So I'm just gonna show you a quick example of how you can use this React Native cheat sheet, which is a light version of it. You can just simply choose whatever command that you want. In this case, let's say we want to start a new Expo app. So just gonna copy the Expo npx create Expo app, my project, and I'm gonna paste it in the terminal, and then it's gonna install. So let me just make it full screen. Okay, now that it's done installing, we're just gonna go back to the cheat sheet again, and in the cheat sheet, let me just first open the project itself by cd to the project code dot to open VS Code, and then I'm gonna just make it scale it accordingly. Okay, cool. Yeah, the next thing I want to do is just we have to like now go to, I just want to open the project in a simulator, so I'm just gonna use iOS in this case. So I'm gonna use that command yarn iOS. This section, that is the second section of the cheat sheet, which is just how to open the simulator in a quick way. So I'll just place the yarn iOS just to open the iOS simulator, which is also gonna start the project and open the project on an iOS simulator. So normally on Expo you have to press I if you want an iOS simulator, A for an Android simulator, and then you have the option as well to, if you go yarn iOS, it can automatically open the simulator without pressing the commands. So normally it will give you, since we have an Expo app, you'll have the basic template for Expo, which is just what you're gonna see in a second now. Okay, cool. We have like the basic Expo app, but what I want, like for example, something that is on the cheat sheet as well, is like how to create a basic navigation with React Native. So that's the section that we're gonna go next. So I have the packages that you have to install in this cheat sheet, which is all placed, and I have this section below there. That section has all the packages already. I can simply just copy the full link, and then I'll just close out the simulator and then just paste everything there, which will install all the packages which I need to have React Native, the navigation working in the React Native app. The next thing that we have the cheat is just we have to import the React Native gesture handler at the top of the index.js or app.js. So I'm just gonna copy that and go to the app.js file, and then I'm gonna just put everything down and then paste that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to that section, copy all the code. This is all the code that we need to have the app like the navigation working, which is simple code. So I'm just gonna copy everything, paste it there, and then I'm gonna save that. So the installation is almost done. So once the installation is done, I'm gonna save everything and then gonna run the app. Okay, cool. So let's save it, and then we're just gonna run the app by going yarn iOS again. Cool. So now everything is done, so we can just simply press on the different screens. This will navigate to the different screens that you have. The code to this is also in the cheat sheet, so you can see that everything is working accordingly. So this is the fastest way to just have a simple React Native app working. So everything's in the description if you want a link to the code. Have a great one. I hope you enjoyed or found something useful on this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, y'all.